Tonight I'm making pasta and I'm trying something new. I'm making a green onion butter pasta. So we got lemon juice, lemon rind, green onions, lots of butter, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some pepper, some salt, and our pasta. Now I dumped the green onions, a little bit of shallots and garlic, which I forgot to tell you, into the pan with some of the butter, not all of it. And we're gonna saute that, and we're gonna cook it until the garlic starts to brown. It's very important. All right, the garlic is browned, and I've added most of the butter, but I've reserved one little stick. And the next step is to add the lemon juice. I've already added the salt and pepper. Now just stir and deglaze the pan. Alright, now this is almost done. We're just going to cook the pasta, reserve 1/3 of a cup of the water, add the pasta water to this with the Parmesan cheese and the last little stick of butter, and your pasta's done. Just mix it in and enjoy. Okay. Whoop. Butter. A little bit of pasta sauce. Get that all mixed up. Beautiful. We'll add our pasta. Whoop. Then we'll add our Parmesan cheese. I'll mix that all up and then enjoy.